Hello students, welcome back to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. It is the part 6 video of Ecology chapter, and in this video we will discuss about the function of an ecosystem. In my previous video I have discussed about the basic concept of ecosystem, then the structure of an ecosystem. So in this video we will discuss about the function of ecosystem. There are four main types of function of an ecosystem. One is productivity, second decomposition, third the energy flow, how energy flow through a ecosystem, then nutrient cycling or biogeochemical cycles. So let's start. At first, what is productivity? The rate of production of biomass is called productivity. The biomass, which is the organic matter produced per unit area over a time period by plants, expressed in terms of weight or energy. And what is primary productivity? Primary productivity means it is defined as the amount of biomass or organic matter that are produced per unit area over a time period by green plants during photosynthesis. So primary productivity only observed in case of plants. And primary productivity also have two aspects. One is gross primary productivity, another one is net primary productivity. The rate of production of organic matter during photosynthesis is known as gross primary productivity. That means the amount or rate at which the photosynthesis product formed or produced is known as gross primary productivity or GPP. It is measured in terms of assimilation number, that is the amount of carbon dioxide fixed by a gram of chlorophyll in 1 hour. Then the net primary productivity or NPP. NPP is the amount of energy available in the body of the producer after utilization of some energy after respiration. So gross primary productivity is the total amount or rate of photosynthesis. Then from that total amount, some energy utilized in respiration. So the remaining productivity after respiration is known as net primary productivity. So what is NPP? NPP equal to GPP or gross primary productivity minus R or respiration. NPP is the amount of energy available in the body of the producers for consumption of herbivores after the respiration. Then secondary productivity, it is defined as the rate of formation of new organic matter in the body of the consumer. It is also of two types. One is gross secondary productivity, one is net secondary productivity. Gross secondary productivity is the amount of food consumed minus ingested material. That means consumed by the consumer minus the ingested material that are released. It varies for different consumers. Then net secondary productivity is the rate of resynthesized organic matter by the consumer. The average net productivity of all consumer is 10%. So it is low for herbivorous and high for carnivorous. Then what is decomposition? It is the second function of an ecosystem. It is the process in which complex organic matter break down or degrade into simpler organic substances and ultimately inorganic compound and mix in the soil. Then it is accomplished. The process of decomposition is carried out by following steps. One is fragmentation. It is the process of breaking of detritus or dead organic material into smaller particles. The first step is fragmentation by detrivores. Then leaching is the process in which water soluble inorganic substances run down into the soil, or soil absorbs that inorganic substances, and this substance gets precipitated as unavailable salt in the soil. Then the next step is catabolism. That means the enzymatic conversion of the detritus into simple organic compound then into inorganic compound. This process is known as the catabolism, and this process is done by the bacteria and fungi. Then humification. Humification during decomposition leads to accumulation of dark colored amorphous substance called humus in the top layer of the soil. Then mineralization, it is the process in which humus is degraded by certain microbes and inorganic nutrients are released into the soil. The process of decomposition is an aerobic process, that is it requires oxygen. In presence of oxygen, decomposition occurs. So here the two functions of the ecosystems are completed. In my next video I will discuss about the other functions of an ecosystem. So stay tuned and enjoy my videos like this. Thank you, and please like, share and subscribe to get more videos like this.